If you prefer buying Nokia brand phones, then we've got some exciting news for you. After many years, Nokia is all set to launch another fantastic smartphone at an affordable price. And guess what? This incredible smartphone is rumored to pack a 144-megapixel DSLR camera and a massive 7000 mAh battery. Yes, you heard that right, we're talking about the Nokia Swan Pro 5G. So, if you're eager to get your hands on this smartphone, make sure to watch this video till the very end. Because today we'll be diving deep into its full features, price, and launch date. So let's get started. Features of Nokia Swan Pro 5G. Display. Nokia has equipped this stunning smartphone with a 6.8-inch Full HD Plus OLED display. And that's not all, it also boasts a 144 Hz refresh rate, and a blazing fast 390 Hz touch sampling rate. Plus, you get an in-display fingerprint sensor, IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, and Corning Gorilla Glass armor protection. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the camera, because this phone is a photography beast. It features a 144-megapixel primary camera, along with a 32-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel depth sensor. And for selfie lovers, there's a 64-megapixel front camera, ready to capture your best angles. Processor and performance. Under the hood, the Nokia Swan Pro 5G is powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 9400e processor, ensuring smooth and lag-free performance. And for software, it runs on the latest Android 16 straight out of the box. Battery and charging. Battery anxiety. Not with this phone. It packs a 7000 mAh non-removable battery, with 120-watt fast charging support, via USB Type-C. That means more power and less waiting. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? Well, in the global market, this smartphone is expected to be priced around $550. And as for the launch date, rumors suggest it might hit the shelves by the end of this year.